The American Medical Association recommends an hour a day for kids like 6 years old through 18 of physical activity, mostly aerobic. Even my boys who are very active, an hour a day is a lot, and that is like minimal requirement. So most of us aren't going to get that every single day, but I'd say if you make that a goal, your kids are going to be so much better off. And guess what, moms? We could use the same. So the more active you are, the more fresh air you get, the healthier you're going to all be. So do it as a family. Get out for a walk. Go for a good hike if you have the time. Just get everyone out.
No, I totally agree. I had a moment with my boys, and you'll relate to this. But there was a moment when one of the boys was struggling. I could tell that he was just having a rush of testosterone. Yep. And being the sports medicine mother that I am, I just kind of said exactly that. I'm like, oh, I can see that testosterone is kind of taking over right now. Yep. I'm like, how about you go for a run? And then we'll come back and we'll have a conversation, because I don't think we're going to go anywhere right now.
So wise.
And so I just kind of called it out for what it was, and it kind of threw him off. And I'm a big believer as far as like how the brain works, that when you surprise the brain, that it kind of shakes it up. And so like he wasn't expecting that. And so he's like, oh, okay. And he went out for a run. Okay. We had a great time talking after that.
Good.
But it was just so funny. And it just kind of came out of my mouth, and I was like, oh, that was probably, I don't know if that was polite or not polite, but it came out and it worked. And so there it was.
I'm such a believer. I love that you did that. And I really, I've told the story that when my oldest son was about 12, 13, he had been competing in surfing in his earlier years, but he decided that competition wasn't for him in surfing. And with that, I started to realize that though he's an active kid, he wasn't involved in any organized sports. He loved, doing videography. He loved doing computer work. And I was like, oh, I could see him becoming super sedentary. So I just had a really practical talk with him. And I said, listen, for the rest of your life, your body needs activity. So this is a good time to choose a sport or two that you just do on the regular, just as a discipline. So I'm going to encourage you to go for a run. Go 1-2 miles today, tomorrow. Get in the ocean or find a pool to swim in, lift some weights, but let's do something that is kind of a lifelong sport. And at first he didn't love running, but we live by trails. It's a great place to run. So I encourage him to keep trying. And now as we record, he is training for a marathon as a 26-year-old.
No way.
He loves running. He loves surfing. He loves all the things. He lives in California, but he has found that when he's stressed, exercise helps. When he needs to connect with God, he loves to go on the ocean. All the things he loves to do, he finds exercise just really supports and makes it even better. So I'm thankful that back then, when he wasn't thinking of it, I really made that a requirement, and I think it changed his life.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.